Good morning, ninth class student. We are going to revise chapter number 5, which is from biology. The name of the chapter is cell, the fundamental unit of life. So, firstly, we should know clear about the term cell. Cell क्या होता है? Cell is the smallest and fundamental unit of life. Cell is also called structural and functional unit of life. Cell को structural और functional unit of life भी बोला जाता है. Cell is called structural because it helps to provide structure. It helps in providing the structure to your body. It is called functional because all the functions are performed in your body with the help of cells. It is known as structural and functional unit of life because whole body is made up of cell. Therefore, it is called structural and functional unit of life. It is known as fundamental unit of life, basic unit of life, because all functions regulate inside the cell. That's why cell having various importance. It is smallest, basic, structural and functional unit of life. Now we will discuss about the Robert Hooke, who discovered the cell. The discovery of the cell is done by the Robert Hooke. This is the scientist Robert Hooke. Cell was first discovered by the Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke ने cell को discovered किया था first in the year 1665. He observed a thin slice of cork. When he was observing a thin slice of cork under his self-employed microscope, this slice of cork resemble the structure of honeycomb consisting of small compartment. जब वो thin slice को observe कर रहा था, cork की thin slice को observe कर रहा था under his self-employed microscope, then he saw that the cork resembled the structure of honeycomb consisting of many small compartments. He named these small compartments as cells, and this led to the discovery of cell. The discovery was done by Robert Hooke. This is the self-employed microscope by the Robert Hooke. This is the self-employed microscope by the Robert Hooke, through which he discovered the cell. To this diagram I have given the numbering 1 and to this diagram I have given the numbering 2. Diagram 1 showing the cork come from the bark of tree. This is the cork piece that he has taken from the bark of tree. When he observed this cork through the microscope, through the self-employed microscope, he saw this teeny box-like compartment, honeycomb-like structure, and these little compartments, he named these little compartments as cell, and this led to the discovery of cell. Next is the types of cell. We will discuss here about the two types of cells, cellular structure, that is first one is unicellular, second one is multicellular. Unicellular organism कौन से होते हैं? Some organism are constituted by the single cell, the organism which have only single cell in their body, and that single cell perform all the functions in their body. They are called unicellular organism, and these organisms are called unicellular. For example, amoeba and paramecium. These two are the example of unicellular organism. Next one is the multicellular. As the name suggests, multi means many. Some organisms are constituted by many cells, and these cells, many cells are performing different functions inside their body. They are called multicellular animal. For example, human being, plant, animals, all are in the category of multicellular organisms. Now I am discussing with you about the nucleus. You know, nucleus is the center part of the cell. Cell का जो central part है, that is nucleus. It has double layered covering called nuclear membrane. और न्यूक्लियस की जो आउटर मेम्ब्रेन है दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन पे कई बार पोर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं एंड दीज पोर्स अलो द ट्रांसफर ऑफ मटेरियल फ्रॉम इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस टू द आउटसाइड. इसके अलावा न्यूक्लियस कंटेन द क्रोमोसोम आर द रोड शेप स्ट्रक्चर. व्हेन द सेल इज अबाउट टू डिवाइड, क्रोमोसोम कैन बी इजीली सीन व्हेन द सेल इज अबाउट टू डिवाइड. So chromosome can be easily seen in the nucleus when cell is in the dividing stage. Chromosome होते क्या हैं? They contain the heredity information which can be transmitted from parents to the next generation in the form of DNA. And what is the full form of DNA? DNA is the deoxyribonucleic acid. Next, I am discussing with you about the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. The jelly or fluid-like structure inside the cell is called cytoplasm. It is fluid content inside the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane या cell membrane के अंदर जो fluid या jelly type जो content है, that is called cytoplasm. And cytoplasm contain various cell organelles. And cell organelles are performing special functions for all the activities of the cell. Cell is performing all the functions due to this cell organelles, and these cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. So in this video we have discussed the general structure of the cell. That outer membrane of the cell is called plasma membrane or cell membrane. Central part is called nucleus, and this inside the plasma membrane jelly type structure or fluid like material is called cytoplasm. और cytoplasm में बहुत सी cell organelles present है like chloroplast, mitochondria, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body. We will discuss about this cell organelles in detail in next video. Further we will continue our topic in next video.